Hi kids, let's learn counting. One. One. This is one. This is one ball. Two. These are two pencils. One, two. Two pencils. Three. These apples are three. Three apples. One, two, three. Three apples. Four. Four balloons. These are four balloons. One, two, three, four. Four balloons. Five. These are five stars. One, two, three, four, five. Five stars. Six. 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 Six bags. These are six bags. One, two, three, four, five, six. Six bags. Six. Seven. Seven butterflies. These are seven butterflies. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Seven butterflies. Eight. Eight rabbits. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Eight rabbits. Nine. Nine banana. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. These are nine bananas. Nine bananas. 10. 10 books. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. 10 books. These are 10 books. Let's count again. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10.